happiness and moral duty are inseparably connected. Associate with men of good quality if you esteem your own reputation, for it is better to be alone than in bad company. Observe good faith and justice towards all nations. Cultivate peace and harmony with all.
It is better to offer no excuse than a bad one. Discipline is the soul of an army. It makes small numbers formidable, procures success to the weak, and esteem to all. Guard against the impostures of pretended patriotism.
Liberty, when it begins to take root, is a plant of rapid growth. The harder the conflict, the greater the triumph. If freedom of speech is taken away, then dumb and silent, we may be led, like sheep to the slaughter.
To be prepared for war is one of the most effective means of preserving peace. I hope I shall possess firmness and virtue enough to maintain what I consider the most enviable of all titles, the character of an honest man. It is better to be alone than in bad company.
It is impossible to rightly govern a nation without God and the Bible, the willingness with which our young people are likely to serve in any war, no matter how justified, shall be directly proportional to how they perceive the veterans of earlier wars were treated and appreciated by their nation.
A primary object should be the education of our youth in the science of government. In a republic, what species of knowledge can be equally important? Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. I walk on untrodden ground. There is scarcely any part of my conduct which may not hereafter be drawn into precedent.
Let us raise a standard to which the wise and honest can repair. The rest is in the hands of God. It is better to offer no excuse than a bad one. The very atmosphere of firearms anywhere and everywhere restrains evil interference. They deserve a place of honor with all that's good. I have no other view than to promote the public good, and I am unambitious of honors, not founded in deprivation of my country.
It is better to offer no excuse than a bad one. The harder the conflict, the greater the triumph. Liberty, when it begins to take root, is a plant of rapid growth. I hope I shall possess firmness and virtue enough to maintain what I consider the most enviable of all titles, the character of an honest man. Observe good faith and justice towards all nations. Cultivate peace and harmony with all.